Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial of the series PHP. Today we will see very important concept, that is file handling. So today's session is totally practical. So watch till end and get the most of it. So file handling in PHP. File handling is an important part of any web application. You often need to open and process a file for different tasks. PHP has several functions for creating, reading, uploading, and editing files. When you are manipulating files, you must be very careful. You can do a lot of damage if you do something wrong. Common errors are editing the wrong file, filling a hard drive with garbage data, and deleting the content of a file by accident. So PHP has several functions for creating, reading, and uploading, editing. So these functions are as follows, that is read file, app open, f read, f close, app get s, app get c, f write. So these are the functions. So we will see one by one. So PHP read file function. The read file function reads a file and writes it to the output buffer. The read file function is useful if all you want to do is open up a file and read its content. PHP open file, that is app open. A better method to open file is with the app open function. This function gives you more options than the read file function. The first parameter of app open contains the name of the file to be open, and the second parameter specifies in which mode the file should be open. The fread function reads from an open file. The first parameter of fread contains the name of the file to read from, and the second parameter specifies the maximum number of bytes to read. The fclose function is used to close an open file. It's a good programming practice to close all files after you have finished with them. You don't want an open file running around on your server taking up resources. The app close requires the name of the file we want to close. App-get-s. The app-get-s function is used to read a single line from a file. App-get-c. The app-get-c function is used to read a single character from a file. The fwrite function is used to write to a file. The first parameter of fwrite function contains the name of the file to write to, and the second parameter is the string to be written. So these are some of the very important functions in file handling in PHP. So we will see directly the code which contains all these file handling functions and run the code, that is program of file handling, and we will see the output. So let's see the program first. Let's see the example here. So this is the code of file handling in PHP, where HTML tag is open, head is open, close, and body is open. In that the PHP tag is open. Okay, so the $my file is the variable taken here, which contains the app open function, which has new.txt as a first parameter and r as a second parameter, or die in bracket unable to open file. So app open will open new.txt file in read mode. Here r is the mode of the opening of function, opening the text file. Then If that file unable to open, then the message will be given that unable to open a file. So echo app read, then after opening, reading file must be there. For that, fread function is used, which contains the first parameter as my file and second as a file size. Then the alternative for the fread is app-get-s and app-get-c. So I have commented that. Then we will close the file by providing the variable app close in bracket dollar my file. So we will close the file which we have opened earlier. So this is the whole code of opening a file, then reading a file and closing a file. For opening a file, the new.txt must contain some of the content, and that content will be read. After the reading a file, we will see the here the writing a file. So for that, we have taken one variable my is equal to app open in bracket test file dot txt comma w. Here text file dot txt is the file which we will open in write mode. So this is the blank file at the start. Then we will write the this content to the test file dot txt, and through this function fwrite in bracket dollar my comma dollar txt, and this content will be returned to test file dot txt because it has a write mode. And then we will close the php tag here. So this is the whole code of file handling in php, in which this is the example. Then we will see the output. Okay, the output of the code is here. Okay, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Ravindra Jadeja, and which we have read. So this is the output of that file, and also writing is also there through the fwrite function. The file handling in php. If you have any query, please comment down in the comment box. I will answer that query. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to channel. Please like, comment and share this video to your friends. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.